फौजी हैं हम, भगवान की सबकी उपासक। जंग पे जाने से पहले उनका नाम लेते हैं। दादा किशन की जय। अपना है दिल ये आज का। गंदे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे, मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने। रेशम का हो मधुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला, उड़ेंगे।
Strength in the words, pride in our souls, zeal in our hearts. Let's salute our great country on this Republic Day.
Our esteemed guest, Sri Roshan Satpathy, hails from Dhenkanal district of Odisha, ex-student of our Montfort, an alumnus of IGIT Sarang in Chemical Engineering, Block Development Officer and Zonal Commissioner of Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation. Currently, he is serving as Officer on Special Duty to the Honorable Minister, Law, Works and Excise, Government of Odisha.
माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, इस पावन अवसर पर अपनी गरिमामय उपस्थिति के लिए हम आपका हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त
Chief guest of the day, Mr. Roshan Satpathy OS.
श्रीमान, आपके निरीक्षण के लिए पैरेड तैयार है।
Passion and energy. It draws attention and radiates a strong and powerful energy that motivates us to act. Associated with wide open sky, above and the sea beside.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन।
That can ever help anyone to thrive, to become someone what one thinks to achieve. So please be rest assured that you are in safe hands, you are in an excellent environment that will help you grow and achieve anything that you aspire for in life. Our Constitution, today we celebrate the Republic Day. It is the celebration of our Constitution, the silent power of our Constitution that binds this entire nation together. The diversity, the scale, the population of this country. No other constitution is hardly ever as successful, is hardly ever as binding as our constitution does. It has helped our democracy to thrive and become vibrant. Now we are poised to become one of the most superpowers of the world. In ourselves, so that we can always win in our life, we can always prosper in our life.
Let's hear the huge hand of applause. It's our school magazine. Everyone, all the children and the parents too.
जब तुझ पे आज आए हमें
Here comes our school leader Ritesh Samal, assisted by Princess Priyadarshini. Now, the Red House Boy is led by Aditya Chandak and commanded by Jai Krishna Behera. Now comes the Red House. Now comes the Blue House. Blue House Boys led by Sastro Satpathy and commanded by Swaraj Patnaik. Now comes Blue House Girls led by.
Here comes the Greenhouse Boys, who are led by Subhankar and commanded by Sambit. Who are led by Sushri Sahu and commanded by Divyanshi Raut. Here are the Yellow House Boys, who are led by Swabhiman. Yellow House Girls are led by Angelina Bihari and commanded by Suhangi Rath. Here comes the Pink House Boys, who are led by Shreyak and Here comes the Pink House Boys, who are led by Shreyak and commanded by Ritesh.
Here comes the little ones who represent them in Taekwondo.
Signifies the establishment of our constitution, which governs our country. Republic Day teaches us to live in peace and unity.
तू पुकार लेना बलिदान क्या बहाना हमें बार बार देना हम जो तिरंगा लहराएंगे हिचकी बन के याद आए
जय हिंद जय भारत। एक तेरा नाम है साजा, एक तेरा नाम है साजा, मन मेरी यार बाजा, बस नाम तेरा माँ हो, एक पहचान।
भारत के कर निर्धारों ने भारत के नवीन संविधानों को प्रस्तुत किया, जो कि 26 जनवरी 1950 को लागू किया गया और भारत को गणराज्य घोषित किया गया। तभी से 26
Let us give them encouragement by clapping. Let us clap together. Give them an applause.
के वो मिट्टी के बेटे जो वापस न लौटे जो वापस न लौटे ओ मिट्टी के बेटे। जीतेंगे सारे वादे जीतेंगे, जीतेंगे दिल के ये मजबूत इरादे, जीतेंगे हर मंजर को, हर मुश्किल को।
राष्ट्र की जय चेतना का गान वंदे मातरम, राष्ट्रभक्ति प्रेरणा का गान वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।